So this is my steam condensed milk cake.
And also here.
So to check if it's cooked, you just poke. So now we have to check our cake if it's cooked. So Isabella will poke it. So if it's come out clean, that means it's cooked. You can pull it out. See, as you can see, it's nothing in there. It's clear. So now that means it's cooked. So now, see, as you can see on the cake, it is soft and fluffy. Very nice. So as you can see. Good morning guys, and happy Sunday to everyone, and happy Father's Day to all fathers. So since it is a Father's Day, we're gonna make something special for whom? For Dada. So now,
Don't tell Dada, because this is a secret. Because today is Father's Day, and 7th month is my birthday.
yes. So now we're gonna make a
And
steam.
I buy this, so this is bubble gum. You can take it from the mall or somewhere where you are living.
Yes. So now today we're gonna make a steam condensed milk
And it looks
cake.
like this. See?
Yes. So she got something in the supermarket. Anyway, in this recipe we will be using, no, don't put salt. In this recipe we will be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of melted butter. I have salted butter, and 3/4 cup of condensed milk. And we need baking soda, baking powder. We need 2 tablespoons. We need 3 eggs. Vanilla also, we need just 1 teaspoon of this. And cornstarch, 3 tablespoons. And I think that's it. So now let's get started. So here I have 2 bowls. So we have to separate the egg yolk and egg white.
I do.
Wait. We have to put the shells in our garlic.
I do want to this.
So we have to separate it first.
Mama.
So now this is my egg yolk, 3 egg yolks. In here we have to put our 3 cups of condensed milk. And now we have to mix well until it becomes smooth.
Oh, is this okay?
So I have mixed here this is the egg yolk and the condensed milk. We have to stir it until it becomes smooth. So now this is okay. This is the, no, not yet yours. Now this is the time to put our vanilla essence for 1 teaspoon.
Can you just pop okay mixing nice?
I don't have vanilla. Okay. So this is 1 teaspoon. And then now we also dump our butter. Then our cornstarch. You have to mix it gradually. Then after this, we can put our all-purpose flour. You have to do it gradually. So after this, we have to put our baking powder. 2 teaspoons of this. I'll do it because you do. And then we mix until combined properly. Mix it. So this is okay now. So you have to sit aside while we are going to whip the egg white until become foamy. So in here guys, I'm gonna put a half teaspoon of salt. So now this is okay. We can put our mixture here. We have to do it by batches. 2 batches we have to do. And then so we have to keep doing the whipping until it's properly combined. Now we have to put our second batch. And then again whip again until all together all the mixtures gets combined properly.
This is how you do it, guys. Mix and mix and mix until it tastes.
Finish what's in your mouth. So now this is perfect. So now we have to transfer now in here. I have greased this one with butter. I don't have the baking tray guys, so I'm using what I have at home. So this is only my cooking utensil I'm using. It is actually made of aluminum, so it's okay. So now we have to transfer this here. So now this is our butter. So now we have to cover this in foil so the steam doesn't go inside. To cover it. So now we put it inside. Our steam is ready. So now we just have to dump it here. And let's cook this for 35 to 45 minutes. Let's check our condensed milk cake.
Condensed milk cake.
Yes.
Has
So
done.
it took me like 45 minutes to cook my condensed milk. So I'm sure it's already cooked. I just have to switch this off. And let's, so now, hot. Chan! It's hot.
And then if you have this, put it in.
So I'll show you.
like a
Bella,
lollipop.
excuse me.
We're gonna
See,
make
this
a
is how it
lollipop.
looks like.
And we are making a lollipop.
So this is my steam condensed milk cake.
And also here.
So to check if it's cooked, if it's cooked, so Isabella will cook it. So if it's come out clean, that means it's cooked. You can pull it out. See, as you can see, it's nothing in there. It's clear. So now that means it's cooked. So now we have to transfer this in the plate.
If it sticks, oh mama, see.
So it's just so hot. Flip it
Check it
over.
out, it's bigger. Like you're hitting that power.
Smoke.
Oh, finally.
So look at our cake, guys.
Look at our cake. We need to turn it
Because
up.
I'm using this kind of utensil, so it's not really actually flattened. So it's kind of like a round thing. So
Now it's baking, guys.
so that's why my cake is the size is same in my pan, but this is perfect, guys. I love it. On this, you can also put on the top a cheese. So it's an optional. It's up to you. You can also sprinkle with cheese on the top. So we'll just have it like this.
And then we put.
So So
So
now
we are cutting the cake.
we're cutting the cake. Isabella's excited. So let me cut the cake for her. So now, see, as you can see on the cake, it is soft and fluffy. Very nice. So as you can see. So now the Father's Day is solved. We have the cake.
And you can add any topping.
So guys, this is my steamed condensed milk cake. So it is very nice, soft and fluffy. As you can see, it is soft and fluffy. It is perfect. So I hope you like my recipe today. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!